the greater good. Oh, the guy wasn't supposed to knock. My wife's been concerned about me buying too many Kaspa ASICs lately, and I think I know what this is. It's another KS0 Ultra Kaspa Mining Mini Beast and the KS5L Super Mecha Kaiju. Yeah, I think I got away with it, guys. She doesn't even know.
Honey, you're late for your Kaspa ASICs Anonymous meeting.
No, I'm doing crypto stuff. Yeah, guys, I just got back from WDMS and Mind to Disrupt, and I had a great time. And ever since I got back, the Kaspa ASICs just keep showing up at my door. So I had a great time at Mind to Disrupt. I got some cool swag. Got an Osprey t-shirt. I'll be working with those guys soon, getting an E300. I met up with some new friends and some old friends. I got some stickers. Crypto Michael gave me a sticker. I got some Kaspa stickers from the Kaspa team. This one is from Shai Vaborsky himself, his card. He has a Kaspa sticker that says Kaspa accepted here on the back of that card, so that's pretty sweet. I got a sticker from the GOAT, and I got a sticker from Serpent X Tech, and I've gotten stickers from a lot of these guys that I've met in person at these events. So if you ever get a chance to go to these events, they're really fun, they're really cool. You get a chance to meet some of these people that you've been talking to online for who knows, years sometimes, and it's really great to meet them in person. So anyway, I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to have these Kaspa miners arriving, and I've got a spot for the KS5L right here. There it is, 12 terahash of Kaspa mining power. So this thing is a beast. It really is. It's heavy. Fun trying to grab it out of the box and get it on the shelf. So let's go ahead and we'll get it plugged in. And I'm using an Altair PDU. This thing's pretty sweet. It does have a meter built into it, but I do like how my meter box has got everything just like how I like it. I can glance at it and see the wattage and everything. I do love that about the meter box. So I will be using the meter box plugged into the Altair PDU. I've got links to this PDU that I'm using in the description of the video if you want to use it. Don't forget you can get a discount on the meter box, 10% off. Discount code is greater, and don't forget I mine to my Tangem wallet with these Kaspa mining beasts. My Tangem wallet discount code is greater good. So anyway, let's go ahead, plug this thing in, see how she runs. If it runs anything like the KS0 Ultra that I got the other day, you guys might have seen my video where I had a KS0 Ultra arrive. I did some testing on it, and it is picky. It is picky the temperature that it wants to be in. So check that video out if you are looking to get a KS0 Ultra or a KS5L or any of the Kaspa ASICs that are available right now, hosting or shipped to you. I have a discount code also. It's greater for 2.5% off at Iceriver. So check the video out that I did on the KS0 Ultra. I'm hoping that the KS5L won't be quite as picky with the temperature range it wants to be in, but from what I've heard, it probably will be. So, but hey, that's what we do on this channel. We optimize things, right? That's why you guys watch, hopefully. So thank you for watching, and let's go ahead and plug it in. Let's get it fired up. I always feel like Marty from Back to the Future when I'm getting ready to plug these things in for the first time. All right, plug it in. Okay, you want to do a countdown? 3, 2, 1, do it. All right, we're gonna give it a minute to do its magic. It's Kaspa mining magic. And once it ramps up, we'll go and check it out in the web GUI. But you know what? There's one more thing I gotta do. No Iceriver Kaspa mining beast goes long in my garage without a greater good mining sticker on it. Damn. And you know what? For good measure, this was a sticker that Rue Barbarian gave me at the Kaspa meetup at Mind to Disrupt. So let's go ahead and stick that bad boy on there too. Yeah. The I Heart Kaspa sticker. Thank you, Rue Barbarian. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's ramping up. It's got that Kaspa ASIC scream. Okay, let's go ahead and hop into the computer and we'll see how this thing is looking in the web GUI. So one more thing, right now it's ramping up and it's running about 3,315 watts and it's kind of climbing. So I have a feeling the fans are gonna have to auto adjust up. It's a little warm in the garage today, not too bad, 86 degrees. So it gets in sometimes into the 90s in this garage in the daytime. It's hot. But anyway, that's where we're at. It's not too loud so far. Let's go ahead and hop into the web GUI and take a look at what it's doing. All right, we're in the web GUI and we are getting 12,000 gigahash of Kaspa mining power. And it has been running for about 17 minutes now. I am going to let this run like this. I want to let it run stock for a while. Let's go ahead and take a look at the fan speeds and like what the temperature's looking like. So I've heard that these KS5Ls, they seem to like to be in the 60s for the temperatures. This is just what I've heard. I haven't done testing yet. Obviously, this is my first time with one. So I will keep an eye on the exhaust temps. I'll keep an eye on the hash rate. Here's my fan speeds. These are stock fans, about 5,400 RPMs. So I will keep an eye on this. The next thing I want to do is check the chip temps, and I want to see where the chip temps are at with the stock fans. My garage is, you saw, like 86 degrees, maybe 90 degrees by now with the thing running in there. And I want to see how the chip temps do with the stock thermal paste. I don't know if you guys saw my interview with Iceriver at Mining Disrupt, but I had a really good productive conversation when I met up with the team at Mining Disrupt, the Iceriver team. So I talked to them and it looks like we've got new thermal paste from the KS5L going forward. So I'm assuming that means like the KS5L, the KS5M, the KS0 Ultra, they should have different thermal paste in them. So I kind of want to see how this holds up stock for a while. So I'm going to get a baseline right now. Let's go ahead and check the chip temps on this thing to get a baseline. We'll see where they're at. Hopefully they're all good. Okay, so far so good with the chip temps, and it's been running for about like 23 minutes. I am in the high 70s to low 80s on board 1. Board 2, same thing, 70 to 80. The highest chip temp that I'm seeing on this machine so far, there's like one chip that's 85 degrees, and I'm not seeing any voltages show up, so I'm not sure what's up with that. The thing's running great. Maybe it's just some glitch in the Iceriver monitor tool. So it's saying clocks are 650. And I am very happy with the way this thing's run so far. Okay, so this thing is very happy. It's the 5-minute average is 13,545, which is crazy, but we all know that doesn't matter. It's going to chop up and down. But I am happy that the 30-minute average so far seems to be pretty stable, 12,226 gigahash per second. And my temperatures are looking pretty good. Temp 2's in the 60s, and that seems to be where it's happy to be. Let's check the chip temps one more time. Chip temps are looking good, 70s to 80s. Same thing, you know, one chip's 85 degrees, but that's it. Everything's looking really good. Sorry to interrupt your video, but this is a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros is a trusted website that I use to buy ASIC miners. They have all kinds of different ASICs that you can buy, and the prices that you see on the site are the all-in shipped prices. When you buy from other places, they don't always include shipping or import duties or any of those things like fees. So you are looking at the shipped price on Crypto Miner Bros. Anyway, check out Crypto Miner Bros. I have a link in the description. It is the official link. Don't get scammed and go to the wrong website. Use the link in the description. It will take you directly to Crypto Miner Bros, and you can punch in my discount code for $60 off your order. Thanks for listening. Now back to your video. Okay, so after running for about 12 hours, I wanted to see how loud this thing was, and it stabilized out at about 80 decibels. This is about a foot away, and this is with the stock fans. And then I wanted to see how it was like just even like 3 or 4 feet away. So it dropped a couple decibels when I stood back a bit, but I'll probably put a shroud kit on this thing to exhaust the heat to the outside. Okay, so the KS5L has been running for 12.5 hours. I'm getting 12,255 gigahash on the 30-minute average, 12,549 on the 5-minute hash rate. That's pretty cool. And then I am getting nice chip temps, stock fans, hot garage in Florida, and my chip temps are mid 70s to low 80s. There's only one chip that runs a little bit hot, runs about 85 to 86 degrees, but that's still within range. So I'm very happy with these results so far. Anytime I get a new Kaspa mining beast, I like to have my friend the Predator take a look at it. So let's get the thermal imaging camera out and we'll take a look and see how hot this thing is running. Thanks, Predator. I appreciate it. I'm pretty busy, and I'm not sure if I can make dinner with you and your wife on Friday. Okay, I'll clear my schedule. Just send your wife and the kids my love. Man, he can be clingy sometimes. Okay, so you see here the thermal imaging camera. It's saying about 65 degrees on the power supply exhaust area, and that's what I'm getting for the exhaust temps in the web GUI. So it is about 95 degrees in my garage. It's midday, it's Florida. This thing isn't exhausting straight out like I normally would have it. So see that orange glow off to the right where it says it's about like 50 degrees? That's usually where I would have my exhaust going straight out with the shroud kit on my other Iceriver miners. So probably I'll eventually throw a shroud kit on this thing. And that way I can exhaust the heat straight outside of my garage, keep it a little cooler. So anyway, I'm very happy with the KS5L. It's been running strong even in my hot garage, so maybe this thermal paste will hold up better than the old stuff. I hope this video was helpful to you, or at least interesting. I love this stuff. I have tons of videos, and I'm working on learning something new every day, and I'd like to share with you guys when I do learn new things, especially about these Iceriver miners. They're a lot of fun to mess with, and I'll be doing future videos on the KS0 Ultra, and I'll be doing future videos on the KS5L, and I might even have a KS5M coming soon. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Keep an eye on my channel, and please, if you like the video, consider hitting the like button. Consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good. The greater good.